Hey shoppers, ready to save big on your printing needs? Of course you are. Click the link in the description below to get exclusive discounts from oneink.com. All right, let's get down to business. I know what you're thinking. Ink cartridges, toners, how exciting can this be? But stick with me. Oneink.com is here to make your wallet and your printer happy. Picture this. You've got a big project due and your printer decides to throw a tantrum. Out of ink. Classic. But what if I told you that you could stock up on ink and toner without breaking the bank? Enter oneink.com, your new best friend in the world of printing. Oneink.com offers top-quality ink and toner cartridges at a fraction of the cost. They've got everything from HP to Canon, Epson to Brother. Basically, if you've got a printer, they've got the ink. Now here's the cherry on top: promo codes. Yep, those magical little numbers that mean you get to keep more of your hard-earned cash. And right now, you can snag some sweet deals with the special promo codes from oneink.com. Just imagine the savings. Seriously, folks, it's like finding a 20 in your jeans pocket. You didn't expect it, but it makes your day so much better. And using these promo codes is a breeze. Just head over to oneink.com, shop for your ink and toner, and at checkout, pop in the code. Boom! Instant savings. It's almost too easy. But wait, there's more. Oneink.com has a 100% satisfaction guarantee. That means if you're not happy, they'll make it right. No stress, no hassle. Just good old-fashioned customer service. So, don't waste any more time or money. Click the link in the description below and grab your oneink.com promo codes today. Your printer and your wallet will thank you. Happy printing and happy saving. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-saving tips. See you next time.